What up guys, Jesse here, King City Customs. Going to give you a quick update on the Mitsubishi. We've been hard at work. We got a few time-lapse videos, but for the most part we've just been working hard trying to knock this out. So we're fiberglassing these rear corners. We've got some foam to seal up. To seal that up, we're going to trim the foam back nice and flat, and then lay more fiberglass and fiberglass matting over it, really strengthen it up. We had to do some kerf work here with the bottom of where the back seat was, and the box is slanted with the B-pillar. In the back here, we've got our false floor in. Right now we're starting to run some wires front to back. We're trying to figure out how to orient things and just sort of get everything put together, you know what I'm saying? So again, just a real quick update. We're gonna keep working, stay hard at it, and I will bring you guys another update video hopefully later this week. Thank you for watching.